What's up guys? Hanap nyo ba ay vitamin B complex para sa ating mga alagang baboy? Tuturo ko sa inyo ang mga pangalan ng mga vitamin B complex na available sa market para mas madali lang inyong mabili o mahanap sa ibang mga store. Mga available na vitamins sa market. Number 1. Dietary supplement for all animal with B complex deficiencies and anemia associated with lack of B12. Faster recovery from illness, promotes growth and development of young animals, prevents gastrointestinal disorder with vitamin B complex deficiency. Dosage: small animals 0.25 to 0.5 ml. Pig 1 ml per 10 kilos body weight. Available all aggregate supply. Number 2. Bexan SP is a B complex injectable. Double dose of vitamin B12, liver extract, and folic acid to enhance appetite, promote growth, and improve embryo survival and milk quality in breeders. Dosage: sucklings, inject 1 ml at day 10 and day 25. Starter: inject 3 ml at day 60. Sow and gelt: inject 5 ml before breeding and after farrowing. Boar: inject 5 ml every month. Number 3. Thiabex improves appetite and corrects metabolic and nutritional disorders, vitamin B complex deficiencies during period of illness and stress. Dosage: pig 2 to 10 ml. Number 4. Vitun Multi vitamin B complex formulated for rapid energy reconstitution of domestic animals like piglet, horse, and cattle. Dosage: piglet 1 to 2 ml, horse 10 to 15 ml, cattle 10 to 15 ml. For more tips and tutorial, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon para updated ka kapag meron tayong mga bagong video katulad ito. So bye bye guys!